So Shine brings several core competencies to bear to accomplish our mission of being the leading supplier of medical isotopes in the world. And these core competencies range across a wide spectrum of both fission-based and fusion-based technologies. We've really been able to merge the sort of entrepreneurial spirit of a startup with a lot of technologies that are needed to bring this medical isotope plant to bear, and those range from particle accelerators to neutronics to thermohydraulics, and then just your basic engineering disciplines that it takes to build a plant. What's really unique about Shine is that we've been able to do this in a very lean and sort of entrepreneurial way, sort of merging the safety culture of nuclear, which is absolutely safety first, but bringing sort of more of a lean dimension to how do we do it quickly and how do we do it in a way that can bring value to humanity as fast as possible.
I'm extremely excited for Shine to enter this market. I think there's an enormous amount of potential for Shine to do a lot of good. Diagnosis is extremely important. You can't discount that. But to think that we're going to play a role in helping people, individuals, fight cancer, that's incredibly rewarding. The potential of these therapeutic drugs, I think, is just, we don't even know how high it can go yet, how good these drugs can get in terms of their ability to kill cancer.
I am a European person, so obviously my passion is within Europe, also with my American friends, but I live in Europe and obviously that creates a bond. You must understand that Europe has taken care of America if it comes to nuclear medicine for decades. So I would not only be negative about the technique, it was what it was, and they have helped American patients for tens of years. Now it's time to pay back. So now we have a better technology, innovation moves on, and I'm happy that I can now bring that technology to Europe and basically give back, if you know what I mean.
It's really important that people understand two things about our lutetium. The first is that it's going to be carrier-free or high specific activity, which will enable it to be used with the vast majority of drugs seeking approval today. The second most important thing is that Shine and the fact that we have unique core competencies in the areas that we do will allow us to scale our production of lutetium well beyond what we believe the current producers can do. We believe we've brought an integrated supply chain sort of to the picture here, where we can produce our own raw materials. Raw materials for carrier-free lutetium are rare and hard to get today. We'll be able to produce those ourselves and in fact are doing so already. We'll also bring integrated irradiation and processing of lutetium. So we're going to be able to provide customers an integrated supply chain and actually be unique in the world in doing that. But most importantly, it will allow us to scale to levels needed to meet the needs of the upcoming drugs.